Here we will create a window application to save the image to access database. For this we will add a new form and we will name it as FRM save image. Now we will add controls on it. Here we have added these controls: employee code, employee name, birth date, and we will upload an image and save it to the database. For this we have created a table employee data with fields employee code, employee name, birth date and employee image. We can save the image in two ways. First, by creating the data type with OLE object, and second, by saving the image path in the text field and retrieve that image using file path. Now we will write a code. For this we have written this code. First we have to set the reference to our data OLEDB. So using system.data.oledb. Then we have declared this variable for checking which query is executed, that is insert or update or delete. We have set this flag variable. Then we have declared this connection with provider microsoft.ac.oledb.12.0 and the data source name. Then we have declared the connection variable and we have declared one command variable. Then we have written this set connection method to open the connection. Then we have written this form clear method to clear the form before entering the data and after entering the data. Then we have written this got focus and lost focus events. On focus, lost focus methods. And we have called this got focus, lost focus and form clear methods after initialize component. After this we will write button click event for new. On new buttons click event we have set this flag to A. Then we have called this set connection method and we will generate the employee code to the maximum value. To get the last employee code value we have used this query select max ecode from our table name, and if it is null, that is if you don't have any record in the table, it will assign the value 1 to our employee code. Otherwise it will get the last value and it will add 1 to it to get new employee code. It will set focus to employee code. Then on key down event of employee code, to generate employee code key down event we will select the text box and from event window we will select the key down event. We will check if entered key is enter key. Then we will set the focus to employee name. Then on employee name key down event we will set focus to birth date. On key down event of birth date we will set focus to the upload image button to get the image. And on click event of upload button we will get the photos or images from the drive. For this we will create one image folder and we will save all our images in this folder that you want to upload. Now on click event of this upload image button we will write this code. Here we will use open file dialog control. I have created the object for open file dialog as fdialog. Then I will set the title as select photo from device, and I will set the filter to get only JPG or JPEG file. Whichever extension files you want, you can write here or you can add here. You can add here .bmp file or .png file. I have used .jpg file, and when I select the file, I will save the file path to this text box and I will load the image to our picture box. And on save buttons click event, we will write a code to save the data to our file. Here on save buttons click event, I call the set connection method, and if flag is A, I will execute the insert query. For insert query, I have written this code: insert into employee data the field names and the values that you want to insert, that is employee code, employee name, birth date, and I will save the file path to our table and I will execute query. To execute this, I will set it as a startup form and I will execute it. When I click on new button, I will get the employee code 3 since I have already saved 2 records. Then I will enter the employee name. I will enter the birth date, and when I press enter key on birth date, it will move focus to the upload image, and when I click on this upload image button, it will ask for the image that you want to save. I will select my folder images, and from here I will select this image. It will add the image to our picture box and it will get the file path and save it on this text box, and I will save it. When you check on the database, it will add third record, and here the image path is stored. When you create OLE object data type, it will save the data as a long binary data. Now when you want to retrieve that image from the table, on this modify button, I will call the form clear method. Then I will set the m flag equal to m, and I will set the focus to employee code. And on key down event of this employee code, I will write a code to get the data from the table. Here I will write a code. Here I have written this code: if m flag equal to m or d, that is whether you have clicked the modify button or delete button, we are going to display the data from the table. So first I have called this set connection method, and then I will select the data from the employee data table where employee code is the value entered in the text box. Then I will assign it to data reader, and from data reader I will assign the values to our text box. To fetch the image, I will set the file path to our text box, txt file path, and on picture box image I will call this new bitmap image with our file path. So when we execute it, and when I click on modify button, I will enter the employee code 3, and when I press enter key, it will fetch the image from the location and it will assign it to the picture box, and it will display the remaining data from the table. Now to save the changes made in the data, on save buttons click event, we will write update query. Here I have written this. If flag equal to M, we will set the update query. We will execute the update query, update employee data and set employee name equal to text box name, birth date and image equal to file path. And after this I will call the form clear method. I will set the flag value to null. I will set the focus to btn new. Now we will execute it. I will click on modify button. I will enter the employee code. I will change the name. If you want to change the image, you can change it. And lastly, I will save it. It will save the data and clears the form. If you want to delete the data, for employee code keydown event, we will write the delete query. Here we have written this delete query, that is if flag equal to D, it will delete data from the employee data where employee code is the value entered in the text box. After executing, we will call the form clear method. Then we will set the flag value to null and we will set the focus to btn new. And here we will write a code. If flag equal to A or flag equal to M, then only we will set the focus to employee name. Since if it is D, we are going to exit from this procedure. We will write a code for delete and we will execute it. I will enter the employee code 3. But here without prompting to the user, it is deleting the record. So to prompt to the user, we will write this dialog result code for prompting the user, are you sure to delete? And if it is yes, it will delete the data from the table. I will execute. I will say delete. I will set the employee code 2. It will display the data and it will ask, are you sure? I will click on yes. It will delete the data. When I click on new button, it will set the employee code to 2. For exit button, we will write the code this dot close.